This is Saugeen Times on December the 12th, 2024. And we are in Southampton, Saugeen Shores. We're walking, well, toward High Street, which is the main street. And we are under blizzard warnings. Not just warnings, we're under a blizzard. Oh my goodness. We are certainly getting our share of snow this time. Everything is closed. All the schools, of course. Ooh. Oh my goodness, and it's windy. All the schools are closed. The highway's closed. Highway 21, Highway 9, Highway 6. Pretty well everything is shut down. Oh wow. It is really really coming down, and like I say, it's super windy, so oh my goodness. But you know, it's December and we've gotten off very lightly this fall and early winter. So once again, it's Saugeen Times, and we are out and about capturing your weather because there's lots of it on Thursday, December the 12th, 2024.